Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create these very cute and very attractive quilling instrument player dolls. Isn't it very nice? And this is very easy to create. So I will show you how to create these dolls with all different musical instruments. So without any further delay, let's start with procedure. For this we need black and red color marker, liquid glue, scissor, quilling mold, paintbrush, brown acrylic color, quilling tool, pencil, some 3 mm quilling strips and red color 5 mm strip. First I will show you how to create the face. For this I am taking 6 strips of off-white color. Here I am taking 3 mm strips and I am making one big tight coil. Now take your quilling mold and make a dome shape. Add glue inside this dome and spread it using brush. In the same way I have created one more dome using brown color strips. Now I am connecting both the domes with each other. So face is ready. Now I am starting with body. For this I have created these two different tight coils. This big tight coil is made using 5 mm strip and this tight coil is made using 3 mm strips, and for both the tight coils I have used 12 strips. Now I am making a dome shape using 3 mm tight coil. Just tap the center using back side of the pen, and using this 5 mm tight coil I am making little deep dome using my fingers, just like a pot. Now add glue inside both and spread it using brush and connect with each other. Let it dry. Now I am starting with legs. For this I am taking 4 strips of red color and making one bended cone shape. Like this, and I have created one dome shape using 3 mm red color strips, and for this dome also I have joined 4 strips. So now I am connecting the dome with the cone shape. So legs are ready. Now I will start with the hands. For this I am taking 1.5 strip of 5 mm red strip and making one bended cone again. like this. Now I will show you how to create palm or foot. For this I am taking one strip of 3 mm peach color and making one tight teardrop dome shape. So it will be the palm and also will be the foot. Now I am connecting the palm with the hands. Now I am taking my pencil and just wrapping half strip of peach color 3 mm around this and making one ring. Here I am creating the neck. Like this. Now take back the body, connect the neck. Then I am connecting the face. Then add both the legs. And then I am adding hands. Hold it for some time and let it dry. So it's dried. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of white color, just cutting from the center and connecting with each other. Here I am creating the dupatta or vastra. Now I'm just making some lines using red color marker. Like this. Now I'm taking my scissor and making some fringes in the bottom from both the sides. So this is done. Now I will connect the dupatta. Now to create pagdi, I am taking total 5 strips of yellow color. Here again I am taking 3 mm strips and making one dome shape. And at the end of yellow strip I have connected 1/4 strip of red color. So this is done. In the same way I have created one more. Now I will connect the pagdi. So it's completely dried and it will look like this. Now on the top of pagdi I will connect this. For this I have joined some yellow color strips with each other in fan shape. Now I am just trimming it. The pagdi is also called turban. So I will connect like this. Now I have created nose and ears using 2 mm 1/4 strip. If you don't have 2 mm, you can also cut the 3 mm strip from center. And I have just created tight teardrop shapes. So I'm connecting ears and nose and also connecting the foot. I have created some features using my black and red color gel pen. So it's very easy to create. I have just drawn these face features, and in the same way I have created two more dolls using purple and green color combination with the same procedure. So today I am taking 3 instrument players for my project. So this is done. Now I am proceeding for the instruments. So for the dholak I have created these two domes using off-white color 5 mm strips, and I have joined total 5 strips for both the domes. These domes are like a pot shape. So just I am tapping in the center using backside of my glue bottle cap. Add glue inside both the pots, spread it and connect with each other. Now in the center I am wrapping half strip of off-white color. Like this. Now to create Shehnai, I have created this tight coil using 4 strips of 5 mm red color, and again I am making one bended cone shape. And to create Jhanjar, I have joined 5 strips of 3 mm brown color strips and created 2 tight coils. This is also called Manjeera. Add glue inside both the domes. All these instruments are Indian instruments I have created. Now I am coloring my dholak using brown acrylic color. Since I didn't have brown strips, so I used off-white strip and coloring later. But if you have brown strips, you can directly use those strips. But in this way you can use your waste or unused different shades of strips to create these instruments, and later you can just color it. So I am coloring all 3 instruments. Let it dry. I have added black circle on both the sides using black marker and wrapped thin strips of off-white color to give it a real dholak look. Now I am connecting the dholak with my first doll. In the same way, I have connected other instruments like this. So all three instrument players are ready. Now for the base, I am taking one cardboard piece which measures 21 by 8 centimeters and I am wrapping one red color paper around this. Now I am connecting all three dolls on top of this. And also I am adding this punched border to decorate the mat. So the beautiful quilled instrument player dolls are ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.